Hey campers, Katie here from Pete's RV. Today we're going to walk through the 25 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf. Alright campers, let's go over some highlights of this unit. First, we have double-size bunks. This unit also features jackknife sofas. This unit features an outdoor kitchen. There's also dual entry doors. This Forest River model has a lot more features you're not going to want to miss. Head down to your local Pete's RV and talk to a salesman about how to make a unit like this yours. Bye campers!